Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you a cool tip on how to airdrop a file from my iPad over onto my iPhone. All right, so it's iPhone 17 Pro Max. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to airdrop it from here over to this device here. All right, so make sure that you go into your gallery and select the photo you want to transfer. You're going to tap on the share option here. It's a box with an arrow pointing up. That's for airdrop. You're going to tap. Once you tap, you're going to see options here. You're going to select airdrop. Now, remember, both devices need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. And of course, we're going to tap here and I'm going to select the iPhone and the iPhone shows up. And there you go. Now over here, you should be able to see the file. All right, so there you go, guys. The file is successfully transferred and I'm seeing it over here. And it's the same exact file. If for some reason you're not seeing your device, go into your apps and or search for airdrop on your device and make sure it's set to everyone in terms of sending, and you should be good to go. All right, so once you are finished, you can minimize. The file will be in your gallery, and that's how to transfer a file between the iPad over to your iPhone. All right, so it's quite simple, and that's how you do it on these devices. Such as between your any iPad and any iPhone, especially the new devices with the latest updates. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.